My name is Makani Dukley, and I'm a model actress. Starting out like this, but you know I'm gonna be fabulous and come back and show you what the end product looks like. I just finished shampooing and conditioning my hair with this sulfate-free duo. I like using sulfate-free because it's moisturizing. So I'm just gonna blot my hair out. Blotting with the t-shirt just helps me a lot more to keep my hair smooth. I'm about to do the leave-in conditioner. This is the leave-in repair cream. Oh, yes, I can already feel my hair getting softer. Now I'm ready to twist. Now I'm just gonna start parting my hair. I just finished sectioning everything off. I'm going to cocktail my products. So I'm gonna start out with the moisturizing twist and lock gel, as well as a coconut curling cream. Remember, I just want this to be easy and quick. I'm gonna comb it through, part it in the middle here, and twist. So make sure you keep it tight and twist it as close to the head as possible. And I want to finger curl the ends here, and voila. I'm just gonna repeat this process through my entire hair, and then I'll come back and let you know what it looks like. And now I'm ready to untwist. I'm gonna use a little bit of my frizz-free oil, and I'm just gonna make sure I put it all over this real quick so it untwists real easy, real nice and smooth. I'm gonna be really careful with it so I can get a nice, clean definition. Girl. Boom, baby. This is my textured twist. So when you get a chance, make sure you go and post a picture of your gorgeous twist out and hashtag my Cantu so we can see how beautiful you look.